Revlon Hair Tools is dedicated to helping women achieve beautiful hair they'll love. Whether women desire gorgeous blowouts, big enviable waves, striking straight locks, or the perfect fashion accessory to complete the look, Revlon has the styling tools you desire. Our innovative Pro Collection line will provide you with the latest technology to help you achieve desired results fast. About the product, the Revlon Salon Infrared Styler creates unforgettably beautiful blowouts. Designed with infrared heat technology which taps into your hair's natural moisture, prevents overdrying and delivers maximum shine. This Revlon hair dryer combines 3 layers of ceramic coating to help reduce heat damage. Boosted with Tourmaline Ionic Technology, for perfect hair and smooth results. Plus, added Concentrator and Volumizing finger diffuser attachments give you maximum precision for truly customized hairstyles. Infrared heat technology for maximum shine, softness and control. Tourmaline Ionic Technology reduces frizz and enhances shine. 3x ceramic coating for less damage. 2 heat/2 speed settings and cool shot button for maximum control. Concentrator and diffuser attachments included. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.